friends and fellow YouTube watchers, welcome back to Free the Tomatoes, and today we have probably what is going to be the most festive video you'll find on this channel. Now, as time goes on that could change, but for the time being, this is like the most festive video I have on this channel, and it includes wine. What can I say? This video is brought possible because of Cerise. So Cerise is really nice and sent me a birthday and Christmas present, and it just so happened to include this guy. So as you can kind of see from, you know, if you get a little sassy there, it's a wine bottle. Isn't that cute? So I got one of my favorite sparkling wines, you know, great Canadian sparkling wine. It's like the cheapest thing you can find, but in my opinion it actually is one of the better ones. So we're gonna see how well does this thing really work. That feels almost like a rip-off of Graveyard Girl. We're gonna see how well this thing actually looks on this bottle. Yeah, that doesn't have the same ring to it, but you know what I mean. We're gonna put this on this. Let's get into it. You would think I haven't filmed in ages because right after I said that I turned the camera off. That was a gooder. So we have our lovely little Bambino, and we are going to start with the cute little Santa hat. So it's like undressing a wine bottle. That's kind of dirty. I think we need to start the other way. Oh, he's looking cute already. Because in order to get this guy off, oh naughty, ha ha ha. I feel so silly. All right, we're gonna take Santa's hat off here for a second, and we're going to bloop. Oh, he's someone needs to go on a little bit of a New Year's diet. Should have got a smaller wine bottle. All right, so we got him on there. Oh, you can still see the label. It's almost like it was perfectly made for this bottle. And then we're gonna finish this little baby off. Bloop. Oh, look at that. Isn't that funny? We gotta hold it back a little bit farther. Ta-da! What do I have to say? I'm gonna have to say this is gonna be the most festive thing that I have on my desktop. It's not gonna last that long, so we're gonna be very festive for like 30 seconds until we pop this baby open. But if I had to say anything, the hat is really cute, but I do think the sweater needs to be a little bit bigger because this is actually like a normal size of a bottle. It's really just the top here where it gets a little bit bulky, but bottle-wise it is typical size. So the fact that it's actually a little hard to get on there, and he stretched pretty thin at his neck. Like, it's like he's suffocating in there. We need to pop the top and let some air out. But yeah, I think it needs to be just a little bit wider for it to actually fit like kind of cozy. I'm not sure if you can see, but you can almost kind of, no, you can't really see. You can almost see through the holes. Like in person, you can actually see the green of the bottle coming out in between the little knits. So definitely, hands down, super cute. But I was about to say like being practical. No, I don't know the word. If I'm being technical, it needs to be a little bit bigger. But quite honest, it's a sweater for a wine bottle, so actually that reminded me of something. I have a partner for him in my cupboard. Let me go get it. Why do I look so red? This is like the most tanned I've ever looked on this channel. But I feel really silly because I'm like, we've got some Spamonti here, a little cousin, and his name is Brenovan. You weren't expecting that, Cerise, were you? So, a little information about me. My first trip I ever took was to Iceland. And when I was there, we picked up some Iceland schnapps, and it came in a cute little wool sweater. So, Spamonti now has a Icelandic bunny. Oh, and look, it's like winter sweater, Christmas sweater. I'll be damned. You didn't think this video was gonna go there, but it did. I don't want to pop the top on this anymore. Oh, this is too cute. These two are going to stay together forever. Hey, Cerise, that's kind of like you, me. Look at that. Okay, anyways, so my thoughts on this. Super cute. Needs to be a little bit bigger because wine bottles are not that skinny unless you're getting that skinny girl margarita crap, which go big or go home. Though I read a meme the other day and it said people underestimate my willingness to go home, so don't tell me go big or go home because I will go home. But yeah. So super cute. I don't know how to end this because I'm just like, what else do you do with wine bottles? So yeah, happy holidays and cheers to you guys for watching this. Give this video a thumbs up because I feel super silly right now. And leave a comment below. And that's it. Love you guys. Bye.